Dear students of class 7, today we are going to study BODMAS rule. You know very well BODMAS rule, the full form of BODMAS. B for bracket, O means of, D that means division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. In this rule, we have to solve the given question in this order: BODMAS. First, we have to solve brackets. First, we have to remove the brackets. Then of is multiplication, and M is also multiplication, but the multiplication by operation of is always used before the division. D for division, M multiplication, addition and subtraction. We can use the rule in order BODMAS. For removal of brackets, we should use the brackets, round brackets, and curly brackets, square brackets, and bar or vinculum. Vinculum or bar. This is the order of removal of brackets. That means first we have to solve the brackets. That means we have to remove the brackets, and the order of removal of brackets is first removal of vinculum or bar, then round brackets, and then curly brackets, and the last square brackets. This is the BODMAS rule to solve the questions with multiple operations. Operations, that means if any question contain addition, subtraction, multiplication and division or more operations, then we have to use the rules BODMAS for solution. Now this BODMAS rule will clarify by solving the questions. We are taking some examples, starting from simple examples, very simple. First one is 4 of round bracket 9 plus 7. Then we have to use first of all removal of brackets. That means we have to add 9 plus 7. That means equals to 16. Now it is equals to multiplication. We can write implies or use the word or. 4 of 16 and 4 multiplied by 16 is 64. Simply we can use some other examples. 8 of round bracket 8 of 3. That means we have to solve it. First, removal of brackets, that means 8 multiplied by 3. Now we have to multiply these two given numbers. 8 3s are 24. Now of will convert in multiplication. It is equals to 8 4 ja 32, carry over 3, 8 to ja 16 and 3 9 10. Then the final answer is 192. Now another example, 72 divided by 4 of 6. That means we should use operation of before the division, because we have to solve in this order BODMAS, BODMAS. That means simple division will solve after using the multiplication of. So we have to write here 4 by 6. Here we have to know we should solve directly. 6 4 ja 24. Now it is equals to 72 divided by 24 equals to 3. Very simple. Now we are solving simple examples to understand the rule BODMAS. 40 minus 6 multiplied by 3 of plus 25 minus 5 round bracket divided by 10. We should use the BODMAS rule to solve the given question. First we have to remove the bracket. Now we can write 40 minus 6 multi 3 of 25 minus 5. It is equals to 20. Plus 20, that means 20. Now division by 10. We can write here removing bracket Now we should solve the operation of after solution of bracket. Now it is equals to 40 minus 6 multi 3 Dear students, we have to notice 6 is here. Now operation of is 3 6 are 18, then it is equals to 18 plus 20 divided by 10. We are operating of. Now we have to divide the integer. 40 minus 6 multi 18, 20 divided by 10 is 2. we are using operation division. Now we have to use the operation multiplication. 18 multi 6 is 108. Here we are using operation M, that means multiplication. Now we are using operation addition, that means minus 108 plus 2. Minus 108 plus 2 is equals to minus 106. It is operation A. Now the last operation, subtraction. 40 minus 106 is 66, and sign according to greater number is minus. It is operation S. It is very simple to solve. We have to use the BODMAS rule to solve the question. Very simple, very easy. We can solve the question concentrately. Locate the answer and watch this video twice or thrice as you require, and try to understand how to use the rule BODMAS. Okay, dear students, the next video will be based on BODMAS and questions of exercise 1.5.